I'm Shane Thurlow. I'm the General Manager of WoolWorks. WoolWorks is an early stage textile processing operation with both a North Island and South Island branch. Our journey started with reaching out to a company called Lumen to actually have a look at our energy efficiencies in our Timaru operation. Through that, Lumen brought in EECA to have a look at other options that we could consider. Then we learned about the decarbonisation journey that EECA were promoting and also the GIDI Fund. So through that we highlighted that we could make an impact with an electric boiler, and that was moving away from fossil fuel. Then we considered the heat pump to actually heat our water in a more efficient manner, and a heat transfer, which means we were having a bite of the heat that we were exhausting out to atmosphere to actually preheat the water also. So with those three streams of work, we're going to have an impact on the amount of energy that we were using with a considerable reduction. The biggest challenges were first and foremost as to what technology was available, then being able to bring together subject matter experts that can actually bring this technology into New Zealand, being able to procure all the equipment, where through COVID it was very, very challenging, being timely with the different phases of the project to be able to get the benefits of the investment, and then being able to actually have the contractors and support crew on time when we need it through the pandemic. Firstly, the opportunities are with our own staff. We've been able to build their competence. We've also got a sustainable value chain that our farmers will in time get benefits from. International markets are demanding more of an environmental and sustainable mindset and process that also is going to open up new opportunities for our business. The new skills that our team needed was to actually achieve their boiler certification. So we partnered with the installers. They were on site with us, so we spent a considerable amount of time understanding the equipment and also how to interpret the computer screens as to what alarms were taking place, whether we could actually do something with those alarms or we needed to actually use our remote access for technical support. This is where it gets really exciting. So with a coal boiler, you've got particulate that goes out through the stack. We have to ash out, we have to clean, and that actually impacts on our productive time. With an e-boiler, it's on, it's off. So I've got a really clean environment, I've got stable production, I've got my productivity is going up because we don't have these particular micro stops or longer stops. So on the whole, it's a very, very strong win-win situation for me with the e-boiler. So once we've completed the first phase at Canterbury Wool Scour, we're going to install a heat pump in our Awatoto North Island scour, and there'll be more phases of decarbonisation. WoolWorks is 100% committed in our decarbonisation journey. There's no step back from here.